visor is clean. The bike is ready to go. It's a little bit cold, around 5 degrees and 8 a.m. in the morning, and today I'm going to World Rally Championship here in Croatia. It's going to be a very exciting day. I am also going to ride through a few of the stages of tomorrow's rally. I'm already late, don't have too much time. Let's go. I just need to get out of the city and then I'll be fine, I think. So let me give you an overview or plan for today. I'm going to motorcycle shop here in Croatia, the motorcycle shop that is on the way to Karlovac city, and I'm going to buy Thunderbox. I think it's called Thunderbox. What is Thunderbox? Basically it's a device that you connect to your battery, and it has 4 or 8 outputs, and then you can connect all kind of external devices to that ports. For example, you can connect heated grips, a USB charger, you can connect auxiliary lights, fog lights, all kinds of stuff. And it's very simple. Basically, it switches off the power after you turn off the ignition. You don't have to mess with the wires, original wires, you don't have to cut anything, it's very simple. Alright, I think I'm going to park here. Alright, here's the Thunderbox. I'm still riding on my patch tire from the last trip. I didn't know that Yamaha has official service and official shop over here, as you can see. So if you're in this part of Croatia, you have Yamaha service here too, in case of an emergency. My plan now, go to Karlovac, then go to Novigrad, take a few photos, show you a little bit around. I will be your tour guide, and then to Ozalj city, to this beautiful castle on top of this cliff above the river Kupa, and after that I'm going to look for a spot for rally, because I think that second part of this stage starts around 6. So I have lots of time left. I'm in Karlovac city. Here is Kupa river. What a beautiful day to ride. Amazing day. There's the castle over there on top of that hill. Novigrad na Dobri. Let me read you a little bit. The right bank of Dobri river is dominated by the renovated walls of 15th century Frankopan castle Novigrad, next to the historic Carolina Road, leading from Karlovac next to Dubovec castle. So actually The rally is here tomorrow too, so this is the stage. What a beautiful view. Imagine having something to eat and drink over here and watching the rally. You can see the cars from all the way down there, crossing the bridge, going to this hairpin over here and going up the hill. So this is the hairpin. A few years ago, cameras were just around this corner. 20 cameras on tripod with wide lenses, very close to the road, and the car lost traction and just slay all the cameras leaving Novigrad on Dobri. There's a castle over there. And I should be in Ozalj in about 15 minutes. I'm taking a shortcut. Also, never ridden this road before. This road is actually amazing. Right next to the river. Let me ask the cops. Dobar dan, za Ozalj. Samo ravno. Hvala. So actually I think that was the starting point of stage number 2, somewhere around here. The first stage where I'm going is somewhere around here. Let me show you. I'm just waiting that it clears up. Oh, okay. Over there. They're in the mountains. In the hills, actually. They're not mountains. Hills. Somewhere around there. I'm in Ozalj, and I went the other way to show you this part of Ozalj that is most beautiful, at least to me, on Kupa River. Over here, this is an old hydro power plant, and there's a castle over there. It looks amazing. And this old power plant, hydro power plant, was one of the first hydro plants in Croatia. I think that it was built in 1907 or 8, something like that. Let's check out the view from the castle. I think that I still have some time, yeah. Actually, there is a small train that rides through these few villages, and it goes from Karlovac to Metlika. Metlika is in Slovenia, actually, because Slovenia is right over here across the Kupa River. So this tiny train is such an iconic piece of this whole place. I'm going to park over here. Let me show you the castle. Actually, this is Old Town. It's called Old Town Ozalj, and it was built on this cliff right above Kupa River. There's a view over here. And there's the best meal in the world. Burek with cheese with the view. I honestly don't know if I'm crossing the border. Here is Kupa. Yep, there is a border over here. Wow, what a view. Nije Yamaha.
Kaj je to uopće? Gledam je veće,
Možda zato kaj ima opreme puno, pa onda. Kaj ove mogu tu negdje stati, a?
najbolje, po meni.
Dobro.
Najbolje ti ostati ovdje, Buraz, gledaj koliko staze vidi.
Aha, super, odlično.
I sad još dok nema ljudi, pobrini se da budiš prvi u redu, dok
Okay.
počeli dolaziti. Stari, ti jak si prvi u redu, ti imaš ovdje najbolje mjesto za zadnji WRC-a.
Genijalno. Tu ću negdje motor staviti.
Samo, molim te, od policije auto. Samo ovi auto ti moraju izaći kad mi moramo ići.
Tu ću dole. Hvala ti. Made it, guys, I'm here. I have around 15-20 minutes to get on the spot. Cool, let's go. Here's the view. Over here. And over here. Not bad, right? Not bad at all. What a crazy day. Check out the sunset behind me. Anyways, it was extraordinary. Very exciting. Hope that you liked the video. I think I'm done for today. I'm going to get my motorcycle. Hit like, hit subscribe, and see you in the next one, guys. Peace.